If you guys follow D23, the official fan club of Disney, then you'll know this past weekend at the D23 EXPO, there was a ton of information that came out. With all the information that was rolled out at the D23 EXPO, I'm very excited to share with you guys all of the information that did actually come out. It's just that there is so much information, and so I'm definitely trying to break it up for you guys in the upcoming videos that we do. That being said, probably one of the biggest moments during the parks panel at the D23 EXPO was the announcement of the changes that are coming to EPCOT. There are several changes coming to EPCOT, and there are a few unknowns that are still out there about the future of EPCOT. But guys, today's video is all about the new worlds coming to EPCOT. So let's dive in. Guys, welcome back to Fun Fierro. My name is Andy Fierro, and if you are brand new here, welcome. The mission of this channel is for me and my family to share our passion and adventures and love for Disney and Colorado with you guys. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. So for a while now, Disney fans have known that there were going to be changes coming to EPCOT and some of its pavilions throughout. Here recently, we've seen a lot of construction walls going up throughout Future World. We've also seen the removal of the monoliths there at the entrance of EPCOT for the Leave a Legacy. But guys, the biggest jaw-dropping moment at the D23 EXPO is when it was announced that Future World would be no longer. For die-hard Disney fans and even longtime Disney fans, the announcement that Future World was coming to an end was kind of a blow. I mean, there are a lot of memories that are created right there in that hub of Future World, especially with the Fountain of Nations, tons of great photo ops, you know, with the fountains dancing and the music going off right there. It really is beautiful, but it's going away. So guys, if you don't know this already, EPCOT stands for Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. And with that, the reimagining that Disney is doing with EPCOT, I think really does exemplify the experimental part of that, but also the new community of tomorrow. So the new layout of EPCOT is actually going to feature 4 different worlds. Of course, we already know about World Showcase, but then there's also going to be World Discovery, which is where the old Wonders of Life pavilion used to be, which is going to be the new Play Pavilion. But also there's going to be Test Track in World Discovery, and then also Mission Space. For the front entrance in the very center of the park, what we currently know as Future World is going to be World Celebration. And in this area, it's going to be very much like a living garden that you can walk through. But also this is where festivities and festivals are going to be held, but also there is going to be a massive celebration pavilion that is going to be erected right there in the center of World Celebration. Also in World Celebration, Disney is going to update Spaceship Earth. Disney's going to update the technology in it, but the other great thing is that whereas it currently focuses on communication throughout the ages, and it's not necessarily going to lose that communication aspect of it, but it's also going to focus on storytelling and the art of storytelling through the ages. And then finally, there's World Nature. As for the World Nature area, Disney is getting rid of the building that houses Innovations West currently, and they are replacing it with a Moana Living Water walkthrough attraction. So currently, guys, there are no new updates to the Seas with Nemo and Friends. Also at the Land Pavilion, there is going to be a new film, which is called Awesome Planet, that's going to be showed there. So guys, that's the new updated layout of EPCOT. 4 worlds now instead of just Future World and World Showcase. So I think this is going to be an incredible way to really kind of have EPCOT move even more into the future and truly be that experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Now it's time for the Fun Fierro question. What do you guys think of the new changes coming to EPCOT? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys, and if you haven't already, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. It helps our channel grow, and also go ahead and subscribe as well if you haven't already. Until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.